Mild. We'll keep the high near 54 tomorrow, topping out in the lower 60s coming up on Thursday, and then we cool back down to reality by Friday and Saturday. By Saturday, the high temperature only at 35. We're also going to see a pretty good shot of precipitation coming up over the next several days. The wettest day is going to be early on Thursday. Then on Fridays, we'll cool down. We'll go from rain to a rain-snow mix and keep a few snow showers in the forecast right on through Saturday. During the day tomorrow across central Indiana, we'll start out much colder. This morning we started with morning lows near 40. Tomorrow we'll start with morning low temperatures only in the middle and upper 20s. We'll have cloudy skies for tomorrow with a couple of scattered showers developing down to our south coming up tomorrow afternoon. That's just the beginning of the rain that's moving in. High temperatures tomorrow will be near 50 degrees across the city, so still a mild day even though cooler than today. Some heavy rainfall moves into central Indiana starting on Wednesday evening. Scattered showers will be likely. After midnight is when the heaviest surge of moisture is going to move on through. Rumbles of thunder are going to be likely between 2 and 5 a.m. on Thursday, with that heavy rainfall moving in for Thursday morning, tapering off by Thursday afternoon. In terms of rainfall amounts, we're expecting up to an inch of rain here in central Indiana, and the winds are going to be very strong on Thursday. So we have a high wind watch in effect from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. for winds that could blow down trees and knock down power lines. We'll see the wind coming in from the west around 45 miles per hour, but 60-mile-an-hour gusts are going to be possible. In the 7-day forecast, tomorrow's high temperature at 50, up to 62 with rain and thunderstorms on Thursday. Then we start cooling down on Friday, so we'll go from rain to a rain-snow mix and keep snow showers in the forecast on through Saturday. The high at 35, but we turn those temperatures around rather quickly with this spring-like weather pattern by Sunday. We'll get back in the 50s Sunday, Monday, right on through Tuesday.